That's crazy how good this powder coat came out. This for the 2015. Told y'all we blacking everything out. I got some more orange parts for the Roadglide. This shit about to look so good. I can't wait. Third, man, we got these things looking juiced up. Fresh black legs, man. It don't get no better than this. So I be trying to tell y'all. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We out here in LA right now getting some stuff done, man. We gotta head to this powder coat shop. We gotta head to the rim shop and a few other places. I gotta grab some parts for this paint set too, so stay tuned for that. And we also got a lot of stuff coming in the mail, like the bags, the fairing for our second place 2015 Roadglide. So stay tuned for that. We got the frame in the back, about to get that thing to the powder coat shop, man. So stay tuned. We about to get it on the way and coming, man, because I'm telling you, the time is now. That's why I need y'all to get in to win it while you can. Today, we got 10 spots, each SLIDN, not HIDN caps. So take advantage of it while you can, man, because we are almost sold out. And the time is now. We got first place with our 2015 Chevy Silverado paired together with our 2019 Roadglide. We got second place, another frame off build 2015 Roadglide coming together, just like our Sacramento bike just came together for the winner, man. So understand that, y'all. We getting it in, man. We just made it to the powder coat shop, y'all. Yo, hey. What up? Nah, I got some parts. Oh, they finished them?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got some more. I got a frame for you. Damn, this do look good.
You have what?
Yes, sir. We got the frame about to get powder coated. We washed it up and cleaned it up. Now they about to get it going. They got a lot of colors in here. I think this is like white. It's crazy. We got our parts though. That's crazy how good this powder coat came out. This for the 2015. Told y'all we blacking everything out. I got some more orange parts for the Roadglide. This shit about to look so good. I can't wait. So YouTube, we done finally made it back to the house, man. We got all our powder coated parts we went and picked up. So for the rest of the day now, we about to go ahead and get this thing on the way. We got all the parts. Everything is matching this joint, looking good. This thing is about to transform. We got all the last parts. I can't wait. This shit look good. You gotta look in the sunlight. So nice, thick, wet. I'm telling you. I can't wait. This powder coat does it every time. Those 3 parts are only for this bike. The rest of these black parts, including the legs wrap, is for our 2015. So stay tuned for that. We got everything on the way. We got a lot of these parts we're dropping off tomorrow, a lot off the motor, and then we're gonna take them bars off of there. So we're gonna have all this stuff getting powder coated. So stay tuned for that. I'm telling y'all, tomorrow we about to pick up that frame. We're gonna have 2 of these joints framed off looking good. I'm telling y'all, I know I don't have to do it, but it's that much better when you love what you do. And then y'all get to work and appreciate it that much more. So I'm telling you, it's game time, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what time it is. This black is killing it, dude. Literally. I ain't never seen such a fire second place, man. I'm telling you, it's up, baby. But yeah, man, we about to go ahead and I gotta get some propane. I'm about to hop in a drop, put some gas in that joint, get this propane. Then we're about to come back, take all this chrome apart, man, and get this build on the way. I'm telling y'all, man, I'm amped up. I didn't go ahead and grab the fairing and the bags and the other pieces out from my mom's, but it made it there as soon as I left. So the good thing about it, as soon as we head to the powder coat shop in the morning, we're gonna go ahead and grab those last parts and pieces, bust it down probably in LA or maybe bring them back home just to gather everything all together. And then we're gonna have everything to the paint shop. So understand that, man. We got everything on the way, dude. Literally, only thing we need for this 2015 is literally just the front 21. So stay tuned, man. I cannot wait. This thing is about to turn around like literally in no time. So we got the 2019 on the way. We just waiting on the rims. The motor's on the way. So we're limited with that. That's why we just powder coated more stuff, getting everything nice and clean for a successful day. So stay tuned for that. But like I said, we're about to hop in this drop and get going, man. So stay tuned, y'all. All right, so we finally made it back. We got our fresh propane tank. This thing keep your boy in here with that heater on super warm, so that was needed. Now we're about to take out all our powder coated parts, and then we're gonna get a new batch ready to take to them in the morning, man. Like I said, this black is looking so good. Y'all don't even understand, dude. Because this was chrome. Remember I said I'm like, you don't need a chrome. Thank God I did what I did, because look at this, man. That black is looking amazing. And that's how the rest of them parts over there are about to turn. The color that I'm going on the frame, we're gonna powder coat some engine pieces that color along with black. So stay tuned for that. If you entered to win until the Silver Bullet giveaway, first place or second place, let me know what color you think we did the frame, because we're gonna be picking that thing up in the next few hours in the morning, y'all. We got some powder coated parts for the Silver Bullet. We got that orange on there for the hand controls, looking nice and clean. Yes, sir, man, I'm loving it. We got that fresh front orange motor mount. And then last but not least, we got our powder coated legs, y'all. Yes, sir, man. We got these things looking juiced up. Fresh black legs, man. It don't get no better than this. So I be trying to tell y'all, get in to win it while you can. Cause y'all see what's going on, man. We got it looking good. Look how thick that powder coat is, y'all. And you be like, I don't know about them people, man. You gotta learn to do good business and you will get some good parts in return, I promise you. People be trying to disrespect you and think you ain't gonna give you the best business. That's not gonna work, man. You gotta treat people how you wanna be treated. Especially in this business world, it can get hectic, but y'all see what's going on, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm loving it. That's why y'all be like, man, don't powder coat it, Dre. It's gonna take long. Why wouldn't y'all want the bike detailed up like this looking good? Y'all told me don't powder coat that frame. Now look at it. Sitting there looking good, waiting on that motor. I'm telling you, imagine if it was still sitting here in the same position waiting on the motor. Just black with everything else regular. No, we're not doing that, man. We about to make it look good, add that little touch, that little style. Y'all know how Dre do it, and we're gonna get it on the way, man. These have the same stock legs, but we blacked them out just like that with the fresh black hands, black blinkers, the black bars, black center console. Everything is blending and flowing. That's why we got the fresh black powder coated brackets. Everything is flowing and going, man. That's what we're trying to do with all of these bikes, man. Just make them a little bit better than what they already are and add a little color and style to it. That's why we do what we do. Adding these powder coated parts. I know I don't got to do this, but I do it anyway because this is what I love to do. Like I said, we about to switch all this out, get this all cleaned up, man. I'm telling y'all, just wait till like the end of this week. Well, the week is about to be over, but this weekend for sure, man, we about to have some results. We got the whole paint set in LA. We got to go pick that up, bust it down, take it to the paint, and then we're going to pick our frame up tomorrow, have the motor back onto the frame tomorrow, man. So I'm telling you, it's going to be greatness, y'all. That's why I need y'all to get in to win it while y'all can, man, because I'm telling y'all, we giving away 10 spots right now for each SLIDN not HIDN cap, red or blue. You get in today only. You get in right now, and you're getting 10 spots each cap, man. I'm telling you, get in to win it while you can. We SLIDN not HIDN. We got the garage dripping in here wet. Oh, baby boy, I don't know what to do with myself right now, man. But it's good, though, man. I'm telling y'all, I love this stuff. Y'all just don't even know. When you're really doing this, like, for real, this is why I clean shoes, I clean cars, build bikes. I like to make stuff from nothing to something. So it's like, I'm telling you, man, this is the icing on the cake. It looked like nothing, but I'm telling you, wait till this bike is done. Y'all gonna really see, like, literally, all these parts I got over here powder coated. I don't got all this stuff powder coated for nothing. The rocker covers, the tops, everything in the motor, all this good stuff. It's about to look so wet and clean. I'm telling you, it's a lot of fast guys out there, but I promise y'all, everybody ain't pulling up clean and detailed. That's why we go to the extent we go and do what we do, man, because we want to be riding and sliding nice and clean, man. I'm telling you, that's what counts to me, and that's how we moving. But like I said, get in the winter while you can, man. We SLIDN not HIDN. You see what's going on, man? We getting it live from the I-949 by 9, man. What up, YouTube, man? We back out here the next morning. Up super early, about to get the day going, man. I'm feeling good, y'all. Y'all do not understand. I cannot wait to pick up this frame today. I'm telling you. It's going to be game time. That's why I need y'all to get in to win it. Y'all probably won't see it on this video because I'm going to upload this video before I head out the crib. But like I said, we're about to pick that frame up for second place. It's about to look so nice and clean. That's why I really want y'all to get in and win it, because I'm telling you, I'm building this bike to give away to one of y'all lucky subscribers tuning in with your boy, supporting your boy Dre, and it's all love. That's why I'm giving back a custom nice built bike to one of y'all for second place. First place, you already know we got our 2019 right there with the truck. So we have to spice it up for second place and just go a tad bit further and powder coat everything. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna look good, y'all. Today, right now, the objective is to get these parts powder coated. Y'all see all that dirt and scum? That's why we getting all this stuff cleaned up, man. We don't want none of this stuff looking dirty like it is. When it's powder coated and clean like that, it looks so much better. So that's what we going for. That's how we coming. I'm about to go ahead and bust down that horn, take the bars off, break down the motor, top cover, primary, cam cover, all that good stuff. We about to get all that stuff on the way to the shop, man. So understand that. But yeah, man, stay tuned. We're about to get it in, y'all. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got everything off of the motor. Y'all see what's going on, man. I was telling y'all we was gonna take everything. The reason why I didn't take this, I have another one of those already blacked out. All I have to do is switch the bolts, but y'all literally see the top covers off, the horn, all that good stuff. We got the primary, cam cover, floorboard brackets, the kickstand brackets, transmission top covers, the horn, the intake, and most importantly, we got the bars. So stay tuned, man, because I'm telling y'all, once y'all see the color I'm going with, y'all gonna understand why I took so many pieces off to get hit, because at the end of the day, it's gonna look amazing. And I'm trying to have this thing almost complete by this upcoming week coming up. So that's why today, I'm about to head to LA, pick up the paint. I'm gonna probably take it apart out there, take it straight to Antonio, get the paint on the way, pick up the frame, put the motor back on the frame, hopefully tonight, and then we're gonna get all these pieces back Monday. So that way, next week, we shot this thing on 2s looking good. Same for this joint. That's what I'm telling y'all. Get in to win it while you can, man, because the time is now. We can literally be going live ASAP. Today, right now, you get to get in and get you 10 spots, each slide in a HIDN cap. So take advantage of it while you can, because I'm telling y'all, you can really have this bike in real life. I'm telling you, this thing is about to look next level. Like, I love this bike for show, too. It's going to look super dope. But I'm telling y'all, that thing is about to look next level. So I'm telling y'all, get in and win it. We got first place in, second place framed off, about to look custom, juiced up, looking good. But today, I'm gonna do the icing on the cake. I'm about to go get some washers for this motor that we got on the floor right here. So stay tuned for that. I gotta just go get me some chrome Allens, go get the washers, but I gotta start with the frame to make sure all the coloring is on point. So that's what we doing first, man. We about to head to the shop and get this joint. So stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all. We sliding our hide. I'm gonna go ahead and edit and upload this video so y'all can see it ASAP, because we got a lot to do today. And I'm telling y'all, make it count, man. Today is the day. The time is now, man. We about to be going live from the I-949 by 9, man. But nah, for real though, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. We working though.